as you find my name. Running wild and wild like a midnight flame. You chased hard, now you got the game. Heart beats fast, got you feeling tame. Golden dreams on a silver street, dancing shadows to the city's beat. You're the echo that my soul did meet, lost in moments where the worlds compete. Feel the rhythm in the night so bright, you and I, we could take that flight. Heart racer, love chaser, we ignite, burning fire till the morning light. Catching glances like a juvenile, walking tight ropes with the love so wild. Every step we've got that style, breaking rules, ghost in denial. Stolen whispers in a crowded room, heartbeats sync to a soulful tune. We ride the stars to the lunar bloom, forever young in the evening's loom. Feel the rhythm in the night so bright, you and I, we could take that flight. Heart racer, love chaser, we ignite, burning fire till the morning light. Feel the rhythm in the night so bright, you and I, we could take that flight. Heart racer, love chaser, we ignite, burning fire till the morning light. Feel the rhythm in the night so bright, you and I, we could take that flight. Heart racer, love chaser, we ignite, burning fire till the morning light. Stepped outside in the night air bold, moonlight painting stories untold. Rhythm in the mist, my heart unfolds. Each beat whispers secrets of gold. City lights dancing in your eyes, electric vibes cut through the skies. Whisper soft like a lover's sighs, hidden truths where the silence lies. Moonlit feelings we can't deny, under stars where the shadows fly. Melodies in the black velvet sky. Hold my hand and let's reach high. Neon dreams in a midnight haze, echoes of time in our secret maze. Lost in the rhythm of twilight craze, passion burns like a wildfire's blaze. Streets, the stage, lights down low, heartbeat sinks to the ebb and flow. Unspoken words in the afterglow, crescendo peaks and off we go. Moonlit feelings we can't deny, Unplanned whispers linger, toast in hand, caught in shadows, heartbeats race, a dance of fate, a sweet embrace. Your gaze like honey, warm and fierce, cuts through the night with love that pierce. Words like velvet, smooth and real, together we defy what they conceal. We are the voices in the dark, two hearts igniting with a spark. In hidden harmony we sing, breaking free of every string. Against the world we'll boldly stand, love's revolution our demand. Our melody is wild and free, a blend